guys, welcome back to another easy portrait tutorial. And today we're going to draw a girl with a curly hair, and as you can see, I'm already starting off with the head. I know it looks kind of crazy right now because you're like, what's going on? You draw this weird stuff and it doesn't look like a girl, but I guess it does now a little bit. So guess what? When you first start drawing, you always want to start off drawing at least the shape of the face first. And let me tell you this right now, when you start drawing the shape of the face, don't try to actually draw the entire curves and lines of the face because it will take forever to do that. So what you're going to do is you're going to identify if the face look like a circle, a square, triangle, or a trapezoid, and that's what you're going to do. You're going to draw that shape first. Then you go in and you redefine the curves and thin, thick lines and etc. Then after you have established that, you move on to the details inside of the face. So for alignment purposes, you can draw that cross T line, which is one line down, one line across. This allows you to align the eyes correctly, the nose, and the mouth. And that's usually what we do that for. I recommend this method for beginners, but if you're an advanced artist and you're watching this, you probably already know this and you probably clicked off already, but thank you for staying this long. Anywho, just continue to follow along in this video and I'll guide you through the rest. Hey guys, if you haven't already, click that subscribe button. You need to see more of this, right? And also click the like button because guess what? The algorithm is going to push this video for more people to see it that will definitely need just as much help as you may need, or just want to watch an easy, quick tutorial video that's simple and easy to do and relatable. So check that subscribe button. Turn on your notifications as well because you don't want to miss any more. Yeah, hey guys, so check this out. The hard part is actually over. I know you're thinking like, what? How is the hard part over? Yeah, it is, because guess what? You already established your lines, and that's all you need to do. This is where you should always focus on the fun portion. Even though art is still fun, but we all know getting proportions correctly can be a headache, so at least we could do is anticipate it. So now you can start prepping your artwork to look more finer, more delightful, as you could say, or whichever word you want to use. So as you could see, I already drew the outline for the afro, so now I'm basically just adding the little extra details on the outside, because for this particular drawing I'm not gonna draw the afro all detaily. I'm gonna keep it very simple. I've been doing that a lot lately. I'm not like over exaggerating my artwork. Sometimes you fall into those little phases where you're like, you know what, I don't need to do all this extra stuff. Keeping it simple sometimes can be beautiful at the end of the day. So that's basically what I'm doing right here. So keep watching, follow along, and I'll guide you through the rest. Excuse me, so I just need to sneak in right here just to let you know that my website, essenceofmohana.com, I sell art prints, accessories, and merch, and I currently have a 10% off. Just use ArtLover as your discount code. All right. Ooh, baby, you thought the fun part was just a couple seconds ago? No, it ain't. The fun part is the inking right here. So after we have finished with the back-breaking struggle of getting the proportions correctly, we can now actually start making this drawing look bolder. And that's what we're going to do right now. So as I told you before, I'm keeping it very simple, you know, with the curls and all that. So with the features, I'm doing the same. I'm not going to go all detail-y with the eyes or anything. I'm just going to keep it on the, you know, on the low, real cool, real low key-ish. So basically that's what I'm doing right now. So guys, tip when you're using ink, please sketch first. Don't ever try to use the ink like that's going to be your first sketch, because I'm telling you right now, you would lose all your paper in your sketchbook because you're going to rip them out back to back to back out. You get what I'm saying? Okay, so even when you're coloring with ink, another tip, always identify your light and dark points, because you can't just color all of the shade, one shade. You're not going to be able to get that on the lips that I just drew right there, or even in the shadow areas. You still got to keep a little light area there just to give it that. So guys, we are pretty much coming to the end of this video. I'm basically just fluffing it up a little bit. I'm going in with my brush pen tool, marker, whatever you want to call it. It is a ink brush pen, I guess. And just fluffing up the afro a little bit, make it look more nice. As I said, I'm not doing much of any details around the afro. This is pretty much it for me right now, so I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, please comment. That really helps me to know what you guys from what you don't like, and subscribe and continue to watch more easy tutorials coming up. Peace. Oh yeah, and purchase my NFT on voice.com. There it is. Purchase it.